Zoe's birthday and like kind of like a Father's Day thing. So, because my mom's not here. And we're gonna go to Knott's Berry Farm. And Chelsea's gonna have the camera most of the day.
So yeah, it's gonna be me holding the camera a lot today. And I'm gonna hold it on some of the rides that are like really easy to hold on because it has a strap thing. So yeah, and then for breakfast we just ate McDonald's real quick, but we were starving so we ate that fast, and now we're gonna be there in like 10 minutes almost, so yes, I'm excited.
And we're gonna go on Ghost Rider.
The first rider we're going on is Ghost Rider. She's tall enough to finally go on Ghost Rider. I love Ghost Rider, even though it hurts a lot. Do you like it?
Yeah, it hurts.
I don't know if it's going to
No, I could go on it since last time we went to Knott's Berry Farm.
Oh yeah, we'll see you when we get there.
Yeah. Let me do the outro. I'll hold it. Okay, we'll see you when we get there. Okay, you guys, so now we're here at Knott's Berry Farm, and we're so excited. Oh my god, good shot right there. Okay, we're going in.
That's gonna be us, Chelsea.
Oh my god. I love Silver Bowl, it's so fun. Okay, we're going in. Okay, I'll be back after we go through the bag check thing. Okay, so we're going on Ghost Rider right now, the very first ride. Let's hope the line's not long. It probably is, but let's go. This music got me pumped. Let's go.
No, I think we go this way, Chelsea.
Here, are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Here, hold on. Okay, you guys, so we got on Ghost Rider. Simi had her GoPro all set up and ready, secure and stuff. But then the worker was like, oh, you can't have anything on you like that.
You can't have, they don't allow GoPros on the rides.
Yeah, GoPro. I'm like, oh my god. I was like, oh, whatever.
I know, they're made for really good footage.
Yeah, they're made for that freaking, to go on roller coasters and stuff. But you know, they don't want like a lawsuit or anything if it's gone. So yeah.
No.
But we're trying to find my dad and my little sister Zoe right now.
They're on Wave Swinger.
Oh, and it looks like a carousel. Hold up. Okay, it looks like a carousel with it's like swings, and there's like a ton of swings on there. And we're going through the right way, right?
Oh, it's hot. It's hot today, you guys.
Yeah, I'll see you when we get there. Ah, supreme scream, you guys. Cindy's gonna go on it with my dad later. Oh god. My arm. No, the tree is blocking the shot. Over here. Ah, I'm running. Oh god. Ooh, getting some good footage up in here. Don't move yours. Are you holding me? Okay.
Show us.
So now we're going on Ghost Rider. We just went on the Wave Swinger, which is like the thing I explained to you earlier.
Yeah, we didn't record on it.
I know, I was like, oh hell no. Oh my god, it was like 10 times scarier than I thought it was. Like, I think because I sat on the very outside this time.
Looking at the top, it's like really scary when you look at it and you're like on the ride. It's like,
no,
it's gonna break.
But on the ride, I was like, I'm too fat, screaming on it. I was like, oh god.
I know.
It was scary. Did you like it, Zoe?
Yeah.
Chelsea, hold it too far that way.
Well, I don't know what to hold it.
Well, did you like it, Zoe?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Thank you.
My dad wants me to go on this with him. I think I might. Okay, well, we're going on Ghost Rider. I'll see you when we're there.
Jaguar. I recorded, but I don't think it was in focus, but oh my god. But we're gonna try going on it again a little later to get a better shot of it. But it was really fun. Now we're going on Law Revolution. I think you can see that. And it's gonna be fun. Oh my god. Go close to me?
Big for rabbit. Well, that's not very far. Oh, where? It's at the park.
Supreme Screams over there. It's super blurry. Woo, trains. Workers with guns. Not really. Not real guns.
I heard that.
Is there air conditioning in those? No. The windows are open. Real trains.
Alright, can you take a small step back, buddy?
Come on, John.
Okay, folks, please wait till all 4 gates are open, please.
Why? I would go on that. I feel like I'm being a chicken today. We're going to go eat right now at Johnny Rockets because that's the only thing that we know that we like. There's Zoe. She's fabulous. Oh, there's face painting. Oh, and tattoos. So, oh, look at this fountain. I'm so like ADHD right now. Fountain.
Oh my god.
And it's still really hot outside.
Andy, look at
There's
that
Johnny
tiger.
Rockets.
Can you look at that?
Oh, look at that. They're monkeys. Look at that. Okay, we'll see you after we eat. Yeah, taffy. They're pulling the taffy. Let me eat you. It looks cool. We're not going to Johnny Rockets because the wait is 35 minutes and we don't feel like waiting again because we just waited a long line. And now we're in a candy store because my dad's buying a hat. Because his hat, I mean his head is like burned. Look at all this chocolate.
I love chocolate covered gummy bears. Fact about me.
Oh my god. Ew, what's this? This is like poop.
Chocolate banana chips. Ooh, those are sound pretty good.
Chocolate sandwich cookie.
Oh my god. Simi, how much is it per pound?
Probably, oh, it's $3.50 for one-fourth of a pound.
Gets one.
Ew, black licorice.
Chocolate s'mores.
Oh my gosh. Oh, those chocolate rocks.
Those are good. They're just chocolate.
And this is the hat my dad's getting, the Coca-Cola style, because it's cheap and it works. Look at this Coca-Cola bag.
It's actually kind of
I like this. How much is this? For $15.
Oh my gosh,
I dropped it. Okay, we're probably, I don't know where we're gonna go eat, so we'll see when we get there. My backpack off to run. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going on Silver Bullet. We went on Law Revolution again after Iron Reef, and now we're going on Silver Bullet this ride, and we're gonna have fun. So excited! Okay, where did you go into answer? Oh, over here. Okay, we'll see you. Bye. Okay, so right now we went to the brand new ride here. It's called the Iron Reef, and I'm dying. It's so hot. So Sydney's gonna put my hair in a ponytail. So hopefully I won't die because of the ponytail. It's so hot. We want to put on sunblock, but there's too many people near us. But yeah, I'll see you once we move up in the line. They said the wait's 2 hours. Yeah. But we've waited in it for a little. Like 2:40, so we'll see. Yeah. Okay, we'll see you then. Light. Okay, so right now we're in the Iron Reef line. I don't know if you can. We're inside. Oh wait, where's the speaker at? Right here. Okay. Oh wait, no, it's on the other side. Okay. Yeah, we're inside and we're in the air-conditioned room. Thank God. I was dying. I know. I thought it was gonna pass on me. I was like, we're getting heat stroke. I know. I was like, oh God, am I gonna live through this? So it's gonna put my hair in a ponytail. And then it was all good. So it's still a little bit hot in here, but not as much. No, it feels so much better. Damn, who's that? focus. I don't think it saw. It was too bright. But whatever. Show them the wall. And look at this cool thing, you guys. The hell was that? Nothing. Well, yeah. Well, I'll update you when we are on the ride. No, we are. Well, not on the ride. It's too dark to record on this ride. When we're near the ride, almost getting on. So yeah, see you then. Okay, we're at the Iron Reef, and there's the Iron Reef. You can't see.
It literally took so long.
Yeah, it took finally.
So long. It took like 3 hours.
But we have to wait because it broke down or whatever. I don't know. Oh my god. And we have to wait so freaking long. It was ridiculous. But we were about to leave and then we started moving. And I was like, no, let's just stay for a little bit more because we're after say something behind we were walking out the line. Yeah, and we saw a worker come in and we're like, oh, okay, we'll wait. And now we're here finally.
Yeah, and we're like giving it a random pause.
Bye. We got off the I was about to say the Calico Mine Ride. No, we got off the Iron Reef. Oh my gosh, it was so scary.
I know. It's amazing. We're coming out here.
Oh my god, I love this song. Let's see. It's really blurry.
Oh my god, it's so hot to be doing that right now.
That takes a lot of strength.
I know.
Okay, that's blurry. How long is the line for the Calico Mine Ride? Okay, that ride was so scary, the Iron Reef. Me and Chelsea were freaking out. My score was 150,000.
You guys, I was screaming like a little baby. I was like going on to sing because it's so 3D. It looks so real.
I know.
Wait, are we gonna get a drink for that?
Okay, we're going on this ride.
My dad really wants to.
Oh, it's just hot. Oh, get water, Zoe. Okay, we'll see you after. We're going across these bridges. Go this one. Because, oh wait, hold on, let me put the strap on. Oh.
We want it. Oh god.
We don't know what's in here, so we're going.
Oh, Jesus.
Are you scared? It's scary?
No.
I'm scared. Chelsea, I'm scared. Oh shoot, it's tilting. It's tilting. You're not supposed to run.
Oh my god.
What's over here? Oh my god, we just went in here for the back side of water. We should have gone here when we were oh, it's all wet. Let's go. We should have gone here when it was really hot. That bridge was scary. That bridge was scary. Oh, let's go on Coast Rider again.
Okay.
Hopefully they didn't close it. Okay, we're going on Coast Rider to see if I can find my sunglasses because I lost my sunglasses there. Because they told me to hold my bag
Oh my
on
god,
the ride.
there's no room for my legs because my bag I have to carry. I'm carrying the backpack for everyone.
And I like no room. I'm like, oh god, holding on to one of the straps. But that drop is kind of scary, I would say. I was like, oh god, the drop.
Ghost Rider.
It doesn't look like much, but it is. It's scary.
You guys, but we on Silver Bullet and it's so smooth compared to Ghost Rider. Oh my god, I love Silver Bullet.
Yeah, Silver Bullet is our favorite ride.
This is so fun. Like when you're going to, I put my hands up.
You did?
Yeah.
I didn't.
A little, as much as I could.
Because like there's a space and then like I hit that space and I get freaked out. Like with the bar and
So
stuff.
fun.
Okay, we'll see you when we get there. Okay, so we just got off Jaguar again and now we're going to Wave Swinger and it looks so pretty at night. Oh my god.
It looks so majestic.